Ever wondered if your precious crypto assets are truly safe when zipping across different blockchains? In a world increasingly embracing interoperability, the bridges that connect these digital islands are becoming vital. And one name you might have heard buzzing in the decentralized finance, DeFi, space is Bifrost. But the million-dollar question remains, is Bifrost secure? Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly recap what Bifrost actually is. Think of it as a multi-chain middleware platform. Its core offering, the Liquid Staking Protocol, LSP, allows you to stake your proof of stake, POS, tokens and receive V tokens in return. These V tokens are liquid and can be used in various DeFi applications while your original assets remain staked and earning rewards. This unlocks capital efficiency, a major draw for many users. Now, back to security. It's the elephant in the room for any platform handling digital assets. When evaluating Bifrost's security, we need to consider several layers. Firstly, the underlying blockchain security of the networks Bifrost connects to is crucial. If a connected chain suffers a major exploit, it could indirectly impact assets bridged through Bifrost. Bifrost supports a growing number of blockchains, each with its own security model and track record. It's essential to be aware of the inherent risks associated with each of these individual networks. Secondly, the security of Bifrost's own infrastructure and smart contracts is paramount. Like any DeFi protocol, Bifrost relies heavily on smart contracts to execute its functions. These contracts are open source, meaning anyone can theoretically review the code. However, the complexity of these systems often requires specialized expertise for thorough audits. Bifrost has undergone several security audits by reputable firms. These audits are a crucial step in identifying potential vulnerabilities, but they are not a guarantee against all future risks. The DeFi landscape is constantly evolving, and new attack vectors can emerge. Furthermore, the governance of the Bifrost network plays a role in its security. How are upgrades and changes proposed and implemented? Is the governance process decentralized and transparent? A robust and well-governed system can respond effectively to potential security threats and implement necessary patches or upgrades. Understanding the roles and responsibilities of the Bifrost team and the community in maintaining the platform is important. Another aspect to consider is the risk of bridge-specific vulnerabilities. Cross-chain communication is inherently complex, and bridges have historically been a significant target for hackers. The process of locking assets on one chain and minting representative assets on another introduces potential points of failure. While Bifrost employs various mechanisms to facilitate these transfers, including multi-signature schemes and over-collateralization in some cases, the risk of exploits in the bridging mechanism itself cannot be entirely eliminated. Finally, user behavior and awareness are critical. Even the most secure platform can be compromised if users fall victim to phishing scams, private key leaks, or other social engineering attacks. It's crucial for users to practice good security hygiene, such as using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and being cautious about the permissions they grant to decentralized applications. So, is Bifrost secure? There's no simple yes or no answer. Bifrost has taken significant steps to address security concerns through audits, transparent code, and ongoing development. However, like any platform in the DeFi space, it is not immune to risks. The security of Bifrost is a continuous process that requires ongoing vigilance and adaptation to the evolving threat landscape. It's crucial for users to conduct their own research, understand the risks involved, and only interact with the platform if they are comfortable with those risks. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.